Hello and welcome to the Critter and the Butterfly YouTube channel. I'm Matt, the Critter part of the duo. Well, today we're going to do another one of our How We Did It videos. We're going to do a little maintenance on our freshwater system on the Trailmanor. So kick back, relax, grab a snack, and check out how we did it. Hey everyone! For today's project, we're going to sanitize the water system on our 2720 Trailmanor. To do that, we're going to need a glass measuring cup, a funnel, and some regular household bleach. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get to it. So the first step is to get as much water out of the system as we can. So we're going to drain the freshwater tank and the water heater using the low point drains, and we're also going to use the other two low point drains to drain the hot and cold side of the entire plumbing system. After that's done, we'll fire up the water pump to make sure we get as much out as we can. Open the faucets in the kitchen and bathroom to help drain the water. Here are the locations for our low point drains for the water heater, the freshwater tank, the hot side of the fixtures, and the cold side of the fixtures. Yours might be different. Now that we've got all the water out of the water system in the Trailmanor, we're going to go ahead and mix up our solution. Now we've got a 20-gallon tank in our Trailmanor, so that takes a little over a quarter cup of your regular household bleach. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our hose that we use for our freshwater system. We're going to grab the funnel, put it in the hose. Then we're going to pour the bleach into the funnel. There we go. Now we're going to walk the hose back so the bleach gets a chance to cover the whole hose. Then we'll put it in the tank. Now we'll fill the holding tank with the bleach and water solution, and we'll use the water pump to fill the water heater. With all that on the outside done, now we're inside, and we'll run the water until we can smell bleach. Now we'll do the same in the shower and the sink in the bathroom. Let's not forget the outside shower. So that's it. All the taps have been run. Now we let it set for 12 hours and then flush the system and we're good to go. So through the miracle of modern editing, it's 8 to 12 hours later, and it's time to drain the bleach and water solution completely out of the trailer. So we'll go do that now. Like we did before, we'll use a combination of the water pump and the low point drains to get all the water out of the plumbing. Don't forget the two low point drains back here for the hot and cold side of all your fixtures. Now that everything is drained, the system's completely empty, We'll close all of our low point drains, use our friendly garden hose to refill the main water tank. We'll use the water pump to refill the water heater and start the rinse. So here we are, back inside the trailer. We've got all the water out we can. We've refilled it with fresh water, used the water pump to refill the water heater, and now we get to run the water until we don't smell any chlorine. As we got all the water out of it, it shouldn't take long to get that result. So here we go. Now for the hot side. Voila! Now we'll do the same thing in the bathroom and the shower and the external shower. All right, done and done. So our last step is to drain all the water out of the trailer again. We'll make sure that there's nothing in the freshwater tank or the water heater with its low point drains, and we'll use the other two to make sure all of our plumbing fixtures and pipes are empty. Kick on the water pump, make sure everything's out. Then we'll close it all up, refill our freshwater tank, use the water pump to refill our water heater, and then we'll be ready for our next adventure. So there you have it, the sanitation of a water system in our 2720 SL Trailmanor. Now, it takes a little time to do it, but it's definitely easy and well worth the time. You want to keep your water system healthy and you healthy as well. Now, you want to do this at least when you're bringing out of hibernation for the winter. But if you use it a lot, every 6 months, or if the water starts smelling a little funky, you want to go ahead and go through this process. But that's it. Now we can have good tasting water from our Trailmanor taps. And when you own an RV, maintenance is pretty important, and maintaining your freshwater system is right up there at the top of the list. So thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. We appreciate it. Don't forget to give it that thumbs up there on the bottom of the video. And if you want to keep up with what we're up to, click that subscribe button and the bell icon, so when we release new videos, you'll know about it. Thanks again for stopping by, and safe travels.